welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay. Thank you guys so much for joining me in the first episode of Free Game Friday. Free Game Friday is a series that I'm starting here on my YouTube channel. Basically, you come back here every Friday during the month of January, and I will be dropping a video giving y'all free game. So come back here every single Friday. I'll be dropping entrepreneur life videos, different type of marketing series. I don't really talk about this a lot, but I do have my bachelor's in business administration, but I concentrated in marketing. Y'all, nobody will hire me. Everybody wants me to have experience, so I decided not to let my education go to waste, and I'm gonna drop some free game for y'all, period, every single Friday. So be here, be there, or be square. The first thing that I'm going to suggest that you guys need is a studio set with a backdrop, okay? My actual set was a gift to me. I asked the person where they bought it from and they don't remember, but that's okay because I got y'all handled. I did the research. A lot of the studio sets come with 4 lights these days. I only found one that had 2 lights in it, and it was for $75.95, okay? My set only came with 2 lights. So I really only think you need 2 lights, but obviously it depends on what you actually do for a living. What kind of studio are you trying to set up? Me personally, I do my ring light in the middle and my 2 soft boxes on the side. I only wanted 2 lights just because I wanted my ring light to hit me in the center and then my soft boxes on each side, and I would definitely show y'all what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's just the setup I prefer. I don't really know what I would do with the other 2 lights, to be honest with you, but like I said, it depends on what you're doing as a whole. If you want to be a photographer, maybe you could find use in other 2 lights. I'm not sure. I mostly film sit down content, beauty content, things like that, so I don't see really what I would do with the extra lights. And links will be in the description box. Don't sleep on the description box. It will have everything you need, okay? Because I know I be rambling. The second main item is a ring light. You guys, if you don't get nothing else, get you a ring light. I did pay $100 for my ring light, but I bought my ring light like 2 or 3 years ago. So I found y'all a ring light, and it's pretty much the same one I have, and it's $81.99. And you can save 15% if you use the coupon apply on Amazon. And guess what, girl? It's $68 once you apply the coupon. This is an older version of the ring light, but they all pretty much do the same thing, baby. They all do the same thing. You just want to light up your space, give you that bright, you know, LED type of vibe. Anybody got time for all them yellow lights? You just want something bright. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about cameras. Me personally, I would recommend you get a smaller vlog style camera first. If you are set in your ways and want a camera, I would personally recommend that you start off with your phone. I didn't start off with my phone just because I didn't have a whole lot of storage, and I knew I wanted to take YouTube seriously, even though we ain't gonna go there. But I knew I wanted to take YouTube seriously, so I knew I wanted to invest in a camera in general. But now that I know what I know now, I would have never gotten my DSLR first. I got a DSLR camera first. Let me go get it. Are we focused? We focused. So this is the camera that I got first. It is the Eos Rebel T5. Great quality. I mean, really, you gonna be able to see inside your soul with this camera, okay? This is a great quality camera. I use this for all of my makeup tutorials, anything that I need HD, anything I need like people to really be up on and see, I use this camera for that. But that camera was fairly, you know, expensive, a lot more expensive than the camera that you're watching me on right now, the Canon SX720 HS. And I would recommend you getting a camera like this first because it comes with autofocus. It pretty much does every single thing that I can do with this camera. It's just this camera doesn't have autofocus. What autofocus is like if I move around, see if I'm moving over here, it's still getting me in the focus. It's still getting me in the focus. But with this camera, I have to sit there and play IT and try to get it to focus manually, okay? But this is better quality than the camera you're watching me on right now. But to be honest with you, it's really not that big of a deal. And if you don't want to spend the money either way, just use your phone, because the iPhone quality nowadays is really high quality. I would just say use your phone, to be honest with you. But if you're a person like me who just wanted to have a camera, I would definitely recommend a smaller vlog style camera. So if you guys are interested, I have all links in the description box. Do not play with that description box, I'm telling y'all. I got all the game in there for y'all. So now that we got lighting out of the way, and we got what you're gonna be recording on out the way, I get my backdrops from the fabric store, and they end up being very inexpensive. I don't know why I was like so hung up on trying to look for them on Amazon, but after running into such bad luck, basically, I had ordered this backdrop from Amazon. I thought it was pink. I thought it was just about to be it. I get it in the mail, and I'm like, matter of fact, let me go get it, because I actually turned it into a SK Beauty banner, because I just wanted to make something out of nothing, because I couldn't do nothing with the back. It wasn't a backdrop. It wasn't a backdrop. Okay, so this is the material, first of all. Before we even get started into what I turned it into, it's not a backdrop. This is not fabric, first of all. Hold on. You see that? I don't know if it's how good it's coming up on camera, but I couldn't do nothing with this. And it had all kind of wrinkles in it, and the package told me to steam it, all kind of stuff. I just didn't have it. I didn't want nothing to do with it. So I turned it into, I got my little sis to put my logo on it. So I did end up getting some use out of it, but I do not recommend you purchase backdrops from Amazon, especially if it's claiming to be a fabric backdrop. I do not recommend. I just went in my local fabric store and picked out a couple different fabrics. I had the man measure it. I think it's, don't give me the line, I forgot my measurements. But I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my first episode of Free Game Friday. I hope you guys really got something out of it. I tried to really bring y'all the best of the best research and stuff like that, and that's how these videos will go moving forward. I want to make sure that you guys get quality and quality only, period. That's on Free Game Friday. See y'all next week.